Hi my friends, my name is Leisha and I am so happy you're here. I'm especially excited about today's video because it's actually here. I went through some major technical difficulties this week and I had to go through a humbling process to know that I am not making these videos alone, and after a lot of prayer, here it is. We've been really thoroughly enjoying our October. We've done some really fun things and we've tried to spend our last warm days as a family making memories. One thing we did is we opened the reptile room. We also went boating.
Wow, Doodle!
So cute!
Yay, buddy! His feet dangling up. I love it.
We went to all the pumpkin patches we could find. We went down the slides and zip lines and did the apple cannons, and we just had so much fun.
Hey, Daddy. Go! Faster! Faster, Owen, go! Is that Woo, Penny! Oh, so close. That was way better. Woo, Daddy! Is this fun?
I forgot to mention that I also got to handle an anaconda, which is a total highlight.
We also decorated the porch for fall.
I have to talk about Owen's adorable Halloween costume from 4 years ago. He desperately wanted to be Oogie Boogie from Nightmare Before Christmas, and now that the costume's too small for him, we hang it on our pillar for decoration.
Wow. What house is here? Santa Claus. Ooh, I'm very scared. So you're the one that everybody's talking about. Ha ha ha.
I've been working on sewing and making videos of the other costumes that we're doing. Owen's being a Jawa and Penny Rose is being Cinderella.
After all of that fun, I guess it's time to get to work. We found this amazing coat at a thrift store near our house. We loved it because of the way it fit Clinty, but the sleeves were just a little too short and the hem was a little too long. So I made a plan to cut off that hem on the bottom and use it to lengthen the sleeves. While Clinty had it on, I just measured where we thought we'd want it to go on both sides. I made sure it was even, and I just made a little pin, put a couple little pins in there to see if that was a good length for him or not. Once I figured out what length we wanted, I unpicked the the lining. That's what it's called. I unpicked the lining on the sides and folded it up so that I could cut the actual coat. I measured where I had marked it and it was 4 inches up. And so I needed to cut off a little less than 4 inches so that I could fold it up and have a seam allowance to re-hem it. So I think I did about 2.5 inches. And I was playing with it on my wrist to see if I could make a sleeve out of it, make a big nice cuff out of it for Clinty. I went through and measured 1 inch along the whole thing and pinned it up so that I could hem that bottom. This hem wasn't as amazing as it was before. Obviously, it's not as thick and beautiful, but it's for a costume, and so I thought it would work. I made sure to hem it all the way across the bottom and then start working on the sleeves.
Okay, I'm working on the sleeves, and they've proven to be extremely difficult. I've had to unpick and try again a million times. Say hi, Mom.
No. Hello.
Mom to the rescue. She's finally helping me.
Like I was saying before, we got the extra fabric that I cut off from the bottom of the coat, put right sides together, and sewed it so it was a circle. And then it had a serged top, and I folded that down just 1/4 of an inch. You can see the serged top right there. Folded it down, hemmed it so it had a really nice hem, and then we'll put it into the sleeve and sew it around the sleeve to make a cuff. Right here we're showing you to turn the cuff wrong side out and stuff it into the sleeve, and that is not right. You want to keep it right side out and stuff it down into the cuff and then pin it around and sew it. We had to unpick ours because we did it wrong, but I ended up doing it right. Trial and error, my friends, and I think it turned out really cute. Well, I guess maybe I shouldn't use cute. I think it turned out very masculine and perfect for the costume.
It's the moment of truth. We just sewed around the entire cuff. So now we're going to open it up. See how we did? Hopefully we got it on the right side this time. Fold it over, and we have this big, beautiful cuff. Perfect for a costume. Look how good that looks. With the hemmed edge and everything. A big, thick cuff. Looks beautiful. So excited about this. Now we just have to put it on Clinty. Do it better before. Pose. Okay, what are we gonna do first?
I don't know, this is your game.
You're not gonna have a beard anymore. Are you ready? Oh, go bite you. Oh, I don't want to shave your beard off. I like it too much.
What are you going to do? Oh, you want to do this guy with the big mustache? Oh, I'm pretty sure. The whole token?
Keep going.
Hey, we match.
Oh, with our cream. I'm like, I don't remember you having any weird mustaches at all. Now we match.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Look at the camera with that. Okay, now.
What is this? What is this like? And then they go watch NASCAR. Or they drive NASCAR.
Done.
Lorraine!
Where'd you done gone put my
Where'd you done
hand?
go? Where's that, girl? Okay.
Okay.
Done?
I'm thinking about how quickly Qui-Gon Jinn should have died. Where's Qui-Gon Jinn? He's not Star Wars? Yeah. Which one is he? He's Obi-Wan Kenobi's trainer. Yeah.
My friends, thank you so much for joining me today. If you know what you're going to be for Halloween, and if you are making the costume yourself, I would love to know. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me, and I hope you've had a great October. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!